A drop of alcohol past his lips, and he's still writing great songs, and he still believes in humanity. He's ever the optimistic, ever the hopeful. He's my friend, he's your friend, all the way from over here. Your Jack Bastard, my Jack Bastard, Jack Jones, ladies and gentlemen. I said Jack Jones!
That was the greatest intro I've ever had. Well, thank you for being here tonight. And thank you, Peter. I felt a bit emotional there. You've had a few whiskies tonight, I can tell. It's gonna be a good one. For my darling friends, how are we? I gotta say, you know, growing up in Swansea is very difficult. Very similar to growing up in North London, I imagine. Maybe a bit less heroin, I'm not sure. But anyway, this one's called Who Let the Bass Pump Through the Floor. Okay, let's get things moving a bit. Sharon's round from number 9. Oh, how she likes to whinge and whine. All is wrong, nothing's fine. That's our Shaz at number 9. Standing at the door, she cried. Who let the bass pump? Now Jez is round from number 8. Here every day looks a state. He's never really always late. That's Toby Jez from number 8. Oh God in heaven, here comes Ellen. She's storming down from number 7. She never washes, always smelling. Standing at my door, both yelling. Who let the bass pump through the floor? It's just another rainy day in South Wales. Who's gonna be at number 6? It's Nasty Nick's at number 6. The neighbour's wives and pick and mix. He's never faithful, always flits. Yeah, Nasty Nick's at 6. And Clumsy Clive at number 5. He doesn't know Nick's had his wife. Standing at my door he cries. Standing at my door he shies. You what? Oh. Who let the bass pump? Who let the bass pump? Who let the bass pump? I can see you, mate. Okay, my friend. Psycho Paul at number 4. He said the bass and wants to score. Said he could smell it through the floor. That's Psycho Paul at number 4. Standing at my door he calls. Hello, mate. I heard the bass, the missus is out, and I fancy getting a little bit of a session. It's Maggie B at number 3. She just popped down a bag of keys. She never paid, it's always free. Yeah, Maggie B's at 3. And Disco Q from number 2's been walking in my living room. He's body popping mega moves. It's Disco Q at 2. Q, mate, you actually invited you because I thought and you did not. You're weird and you scare the kids. It's very true, you know. Come on, Islington, you're not too posh to push it. Has anyone seen Hugh? Disco Hugh! What are you doing in the bath, mate? Give me back my rubber duck, you can't! It's just another rainy day in South Wales. And you 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 and you. I love you.